What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I am up at our Dutchess yard in front of this F350 here. We have this work platform for our telehandler. I need to get it out. I just started this truck. Luckily it started up. It almost didn't, but it is a bit tight in here and I can't move this green one because we have a flat tire. This thing is completely out of air, pretty much off the rim at this point. So I need to work my way out. I started moving it a little bit just to see if I would be able to get it out. It looks like we have enough room to maneuver it out. It is kind of tight on the front. If worse comes to worse, I can move that loader, but let me try and get this out, and then we're gonna load this in the bed of my truck, and this is going up to the new job with us. Doesn't sound the best. Sounds like there's a power steering issue or something. All right, that was tight. I definitely bumped the platform a couple times, but doesn't look like there's any damage on the truck, which is good. So time to go grab one of our Toolcats and figure out how we're gonna get this loaded in the bed of my Colorado. Oh, it's like a sauna in here. Alright, the forks are kind of like jammed up, so I'm going to try and just put one in one pocket and the other one kind of floating. We're only going in the pocket to get it out of here, and then we're going to grab it from the side to... Oh, we're hitting something underneath. There we go. We're going to grab it from the side to load it in the bed of my truck once we have it out of here. We have like, oh, actually it's gonna be like 40, that's 45 plus another 2 maybe. 46.5 inches, and the bar is at 43.5 inches. Hopefully these aren't too wide. I don't think I've ever had this in the bed of my truck, but find out right now. This might not work. This might not work. I might have to flip this thing on its side. So the platform has these are like basically to lock your forks on, and from here it's definitely not going to fit on this side, and the other side is pretty much flush. So what I'm thinking is if I don't know, I think I got to measure from here to that top rail and see how wide it is this way, and then see if that'll fit. Alright guys, this is our last hope. If it doesn't fit, we're taking a trailer. I'm gonna try and back under. I think I have a bit more control. Also, with that stationary, the only thing really holding it up right now is that strap. When you're driving it, it's kind of shaking and putting a lot more tension on the strap. So I feel like it's safer this way. Just like Alright, it's pretty much in. It is going to be very difficult to strap the trucks down though. That's the only thing I'm concerned about, but let's get this dropped in and then we'll deal with that after. Alright guys, we're all loaded up and strapped in. I have one strap around the platform here, holding it back into the bed, and then I have two straps from the rack up over the trucks and the platform back down into the inside of my bed here. So those two straps are kind of doing double duty right now, holding the trucks and the platform in. I kind of just balanced the trucks up on top of the rack. It is on the front of, or up on top of the platform. It is on the front of my ladder rack as well. So we should be good to go. That was a bit crazier than I was expecting. I wish it fit straight in upright, and it is super hot here. I'm sweating my ass off. I can't wait to get in my truck and crank the AC. But I'm about to hit the road and go drop that Trex off, and then we're heading up to the new job. So that's going to wrap it up for this one. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.